Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious caramel ice cream. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready before you begin. You'll need sugar, heavy cream, milk, egg yolks, and a touch of salt. Having your tools like a heavy-bottomed saucepan and an ice cream maker prepared will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This preparation step is key for a successful outcome. Now, let's create that rich caramel. Start by melting about 1 cup of granulated sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Watch it carefully as it transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Once it's a deep golden color, remove it from the heat and carefully whisk in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, followed by 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream. A small pinch of salt will enhance the flavor beautifully. Next, we'll prepare the creamy ice cream base. In a bowl, whisk 6 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and pale. Gently heat 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream in a separate saucepan until just simmering. Slowly pour some of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook until it thickens slightly. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Ensure both your caramel sauce and ice cream base are completely chilled, ideally for several hours or overnight. Once cool, stir the caramel sauce into the ice cream base until well combined. Pour this delicious mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to your machine's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Enjoy your homemade caramel ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.